Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? It looks like something that is standing. It looks like something that is standing. Do you know what this is? 100% move. 180% move in 1, 2, 3 days. Do you know what this is? Ladies and gentlemen, if you know what this is, you've arrived to the right place. This is the No Edge No Trade channel. We talk all things crypto trading and we are traders enthusiasts. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is OM. This is mantra. Mantra, a coin that went parabolic. Boom. This is the logo and we have traded it. We have held it since September. Since this pivot over here, you can see this area over here. This, the 121, this area was where we bought it in September. And since then, it has boomed and ballooned even more than expected. Over a 260% move. Don't believe me? You don't need to believe me. You know that I show. I talk the talk and I don't just walk the walk. This is it. Take a look. You can see this. This is my Patreon group. As you can see, I have things that are, this is Jomo Trader. This is me. As you can see, OM long candidate. 26th of September, take profits, position size. All right, and since then we've added and things like that. This is it. Look, the 26th of September, you can see it over here. This is OM. These are the prices. We had a stop loss. It wasn't triggered. This was a cap and handle and so on and so forth. So this actually happened, right? Ladies and gents, I just want to make sure that you know that, I want to be here to talk the talk. I'm not one of those people that don't show what I do. I don't show off. I don't tell you how much money I make because that's not important. I'm not here to show off. I'm here to, first of all, get a kick out of making money and taking people alongside with me. And second thing, making sure that you understand that there are ways to make money in the markets with lower risk and with understanding what you are doing. Let's get back to OM. Oh my God, where are you, OM? Over here. This is it. Anyways, moved up, rectangular, or something that is standing, a lot of money. How did we make it? How we could have added to it, and how you can make money on it here on if you have not made any money and you're just looking wide open on this. All right, so first of all, let's get back right to where we got in. This was right over here, right? 26th of September. Let me remove this. We don't need this. We don't need this. All right, boom. This was over here. This was the breakout. It created another pivot, added over here, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna let this play out. You can see how this already moved. Now in the beginning it moved nicely, but it didn't move really strong. It even corrected a little bit, went all the way back to our entry. We didn't add over here, by the way, but it just continued to build this pivot over here. And let me just stop because I just wanted select bar. I wanted to see how before it broke out, it to a new highs, which was a few days ago after we took the trade. You see how patient we were for a month or a month. In the beginning we had good profits and it broke down. All right, took some off as we go along. We took some profits, then we took a little bit of profits here to make sure we don't risk ourselves if it goes down, then added. But then over here it made a sense of a breakout. This almost break out to these new highs, right? As you can see, if you put a line over here from this last, all right, all-time high, you can see it penetrated. So it kind of trapped buyers over here. And this was concerning because it went all the way down. But lo and behold, just 1 day after, 2 days after, it just broke out to new highs and then it didn't look back. Now, the thing is that as you can see, what I did over here, this was a cup and handle, and that's why we got in here. This made a cup without a handle. Now, sometimes when bullish markets, just like we are right now, where people are, they don't tolerate any waiting too much, it just breaks out, right? So this happened, and I called this, by the way, a base of a base, because we had a big base over here, but then it needed just a little bit more time to make sure that we get the right sense of the right type of market for a real ferocious breakout, and boom, right? And this is the first base, second base, and then blast off. Now let me go from regular chart to a log chart. I wanted to see something amazing. Look at what happened in the past, right? The thing is that OM was on my list for so long because of this. It made from December 2023 all the way, all right, to roughly March. In 3 months, it made 4,000%. 4,000%. This was a coin that was on my list, right? This was on my list because of that. And then it needed a long sideways, a long sideways. From here until we really broke out, 200 and something days. Now you can see this 200% move. It's almost nothing. It's almost nothing by now, right? This 200% move. I went a daily. Yeah, I went a daily. Oh, yeah, we need some more time. We need to remove this. Boom, all right. Look, it doesn't look even so big in comparison to what happened in the past. But right now we started another leg up. So we are holding firm to some of our profits to see how long OM can go. And hopefully we can add along the way. But making 3x on the money, right? 3x on the money from only from here. And leave the first entry. This entry over here, boom. That's where things started to fly. Even only from here, it's 180%. That's 3x on the money. That's how you find out performers. You find something that had a huge move up. You missed it. Maybe you missed all this, but then it can continue. It can continue. And that's the beauty of these, these markets, is that when you have a nice period, a bullish period, a trading environment, you need to search for the ones that have the most ferociousness in them. And ladies and gentlemen, OM has one of the most ferociousness I have seen. And again, just to make sure that if you don't believe me, this was the trade, right? This was the trade. And if you are interested, first of all, if you want to support me for free for this content that I give you, like this video right now, subscribe to my channel, push that bell notification because I make videos on real live trades and you don't want to miss that. So push and comment in the section below. What do you think about OM? Do you hold OM? And how high do you think OM can go? This phenomenon, explain this phenomenon of OM to me. That's one thing. Another thing you can do, and if you want to join us and get these trades just like this one, all right, what you need to do is just click in the link in the description or in the first comment section below, and it will take you to this. This is going to be the landing page. This is my Patreon. Now you can choose any one of these tiers. You can start a trader, alpha. If you don't have a lot of time, you just want signals and a weekly update, boom, take the starter trader. If you want more, right, more signals, shorts, long, shorter time frames as well, because I'm going to give only high time frames for the starter trader, shorter time frames on the hourly. You want to trade more, you want to become more professional, take the alpha trader. Read this, and then you have the pro trader, of course, the top trader. The more you invest in yourself, the more time you have with me. And right now, this is where you want to put the money, right, in investing in yourself, because $300 you put now in yourself in the market is going to yield 3,000 or maybe 30 or maybe 30,000. Who knows how long this bull market is going to go? But if you invest in yourself to find things like I do, right? And of course, you have me sharing with you all the time. You have me writing things to you, updates as well, candidates, and signals and so on and so forth. I will try to teach you how to fish and to give you fish in the meantime. So why are you waiting? I don't know. We're in such a bullish phase. We're in such a bullish environment. Things are flying. We're making money. Come along with us and enjoy this market. OM. Like, subscribe, and comment on this OM phenomenon. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, no edge and no trade.